In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings. In them you need to choose Connected Devices. Then click on Pair New Device and wait for available ones. When you see the one that you wish to connect to, click on it. Now wait for the pop-up. In order to connect, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can disconnect them by choosing this gear icon next to the device and tap on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to connect to the same one, select Pair New Device, click on it and follow all of those steps again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!